Hello, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to schedule a Hyflex in your classroom or meeting room. We're using Outlook on the web as we don't recommend the Outlook desktop application. So in the calendar we want to select a new event. We want to add a title. Then we want to select the time. Now, because we know we already have a pre-existing meeting, we know the time, and we're going to make it for 1 hour. In the location field, this is where we'll select the Hyflex Cart. For this demonstration, I'm going to select the Ellison Campus Center, which is ECC, and set it for the Martin Luther King room. Now we already have an existing meeting that we created in Zoom, so we're going to go into our profile on Zoom. This profile, click on the meetings link. Here's our meeting that we've created. If we click in here, this shows our meeting. Click on here and copy. Conversely, you could select and copy this link. Go back to your calendar. Click again in the location field and paste. Now right here it says use this location. Click on that. It's very important not to include a Teams meeting. At this point, you would hit send. If you want to put your invitees in before, you can do so, or you can send that out later. Click send. If you have further questions, please feel free to email dbar@salemstate.edu. Thanks for watching.